Hi everyone, this is Gleeza Made with Glee. In this video, I'm going to share with you a jewelry box makeover. My son likes to thrift more than I do, and he usually goes thrift shopping for clothes, but sometimes he'll find things and he'll pick them up for me or call me and ask me if I want them. This particular box he saw and he knew I would like the shape and style of it, so he picked it up for me. It was originally $14.99. Somebody bought it from Ross. He got it for $4. It is missing the pull for the drawer, and of course, as you can see, it's a little beat up. So first thing I did was to clean this thing, take all the stickers off, give it a really good cleaning, and then I painted it. Now you could paint it with chalk paint, brushed it on, but I don't have any of that stuff. I have spray paint, so I am using the cheap Walmart black spray paint to paint the entire thing black. And I have two little wooden dowels, ball, wood bead things that I wasn't sure which size I was going to use, so I sprayed them both to become the pull on the drawer, because this is a no spend for me project. I used the supplies I had in hand, such as, like I said, the Walmart black spray paint, the beads, and pretty much that's it. So once I got it completely painted to my satisfaction and covered up all of the original, I took some E6000 and I glued the bead, the wooden dowel bead thing, onto the drawer. Then I took some cellophane plastic and created a cone like we do for henna and mehndi, and I painted my little jewelry box. Now I did this in time lapse and it's going to go really fast, and trust me, it's not that quick. It took me a while to get this completely done, but time lapse makes it look so easy. So I slowed it down just a little bit so you can see. Now when I initially started, this is my first time doing painting, this henna method of painting. The paint flowed out a little bit too much for my liking, and I believe that's because I made my own cone. I've never made my own cones for henna. I always buy pre-mixed henna, so this was a little bit different for me. But once I got the hang of it, I was able to control the flow a lot better. Now the design itself is completely freehand. You can go on Pinterest and find lots of great henna patterns. I look at them sometimes and use some of the elements, but this, like I said, is completely freehand. I am just going with the flow. It's kind of like Zentangle, if you're familiar with that technique, where you fill in a box with different patterns. So that's what I did, again, using the henna method of painting, I should say. Once I covered the top, I then also painted the sides and the drawer, and let that dry, and then I sprayed it with a little bit of sealer just to make sure it's protected. Now you could certainly add glitter. You could have added beads to this and make it even more fancy, but being this is my very first attempt with this method, I just went to town with the paints alone. So I hope you guys like my transformation of this thrifted jewelry box. I think it turned out great. I currently have it in my bathroom displayed, and you'll notice I put a little extra decoration on the top where I kind of messed up. So thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. Do leave me a comment. Let me know, what do you think of my new jewelry box. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.